Alrighty guys, I think we're live. Alrighty, so it's a rainy day outside. It's been pissing down all night. Just the weather has been shocking here lately. So I thought I'd come out and work on my latest knife handle and I'd bring you along for a ride. So I don't know if it's going to be a good video. I don't know if it's going to be a boring video. I don't know what. I don't know. So I thought I'd take you along, see how you go. See, you can watch me shape this handle. So I'm going to get into it. Don't know if it's going to be a good video. Don't know anything. I don't know. I've never done a video like this before. So let's get into it. Give it a go. Phew! The name I can never pronounce. The Phenolican Archer. How are you, buddy? Good to see you. I'm just working on this knife. Going to grind it down. It's raining here. It's a rainy day. So I just thought I'd try this video out. I don't know if it's going to be good. I don't know. We'll give it a go. Let me know at the end if you think it's a good video, if you think I should do it or you shouldn't I do it. Steve Rosberg, the Vegas man himself. You check it out. I'm working on my latest knife. Going to shape out this handle. So I'm taking this long for a ride. Look sharp. It will be sharp. Let me tell you, I've made this one super hard. This one. So I'm going to be using my grinder. Don't do anything I do at home, people. I'm just showing you what I do. Don't do what I do. Just showing you what I do. Big T! Okay, so let's get into it. Start grinding this. It might be a bit boring, I don't know. Hang in there. Let me know what you think anyway. How could the video not be good? Oh, God, I love you, Joseph. God, I love you. Okay, so let's get into it anyway. Let's try and see how we go. First thing I want to do, I want to try and get this edge here leveled down. So let's get that happening. First thing I have to do is get this outside shaped. And then once with that, we can start putting some contours in it and all that type of whatsy. But for now, we just need to get this going. Gloved up, ready to go. Alright, safety first. Oh, she spins, people, she spins. The trick is just to take your time. You just got to really take it slow, because you can just go and it'll be all gone. You just got to take it slow and be sweet. What trouble are you getting into now, Darkstar? Yeah. All right. Look at that. How nice does that starting to look? Manda B! Check it out, I'm working on my latest knife. See what she looks like at the end, but check that out, it's starting to come up nice. We're nearly there, we're getting there.
You need a jigsaw. It's hardwood. It's hardwood, Big T, so it takes just as bloody long with the jigsaw as it does with the grinder. So I just use the grinder. But how's that? Look at that. Something's happened here. I must have took a chunk out of the metal somewhere. Alrighty guys, check it out. I think I'm just about done and ready to start finishing up with the old hand sander. I'll take all the rough edges off and round her out. Alrighty guys, so I think that's going to be it. I don't know, let us know in the comments if you're watching it after, if you think it's boring, you should do it, or should just go back to keeping archery videos, let me know. Ray, how are you, Ray? Just trying to finish this handle I've been working on for like a year and a half, it feels like. Right, I think I'm nearly done, I'm up to hand sand. You don't want to see me hand sanding, that's for sure, because that's even more boring. Alright guys, so hit the like button for me if you like it. Let me know in the comments if you think it was a shit video or a good video. You know me, I don't care, I just want to hear the feedback. So let me know and I'll show you in the future how this one ended up. Alright guys, see you in the next one!